starting the day with some good news to share with you guys. And the good news is I am gonna be going to RSD. Just wanna make sure that you bring all the necessary stuff to the event, like your tools, your wrenches, extra bolts, extra nuts. You know, you never know. For this event, it's because it's a little farther. I'm bringing 4 wheels with 4 new tires, and also 4 brand new tires that we're gonna be putting on that truck on Saturday. Also, a little surprise for you guys here. The 240 have going a new set of shoes. These are R33 replicas. They look nice. I always wanted a set of these wheels. You know, one of my friends has them, so you know, I just scooped them up, and they look so good. Look at that fitment. What? Damn! It's just right there. I'm running on the back. 240-40-17 on the back, and as you guys know, I have my Cosmos MR2 on the front with 215-40-17. They're good. I like my setup how it is right now. Making sure that we bring our jack. I know there's gonna be plenty jack on the event, but you always want to have your own. Make sure to bring your jack stand, right? Unless the event is really close, like the Club Lewis I don't. Make sure that all your batteries are charged, right? Your impact gun, battery, you know, your wrench, battery. Make sure that you have everything charged and ready to power when you need them. And also make sure that you bring your helmets. This is the most important of all. I'm pretty sure and I believe that they won't let you drift without a helmet. What else? Yeah, you guys know. It's not the first day that you guys drifting. Oh, forgot about this. You need this. Your tire pressure regulator. It's not a tire pressure regulator. Your tire pressure gauge. I'm sorry. So you need this. I always forget. I've been forgetting for the past 4 events. I don't know what it is, but also just want to make sure that the truck is on good driving condition, because once we load up, ain't backing up. You guys know that. Send it or stay home. Alright, the thing is hot in here. Some power windows. I love this. Alright. Oops. Boom. It looks good to me. Power windows the other side too. And also I wanted to show you guys some parts that I received between yesterday and today. Now I'm very excited about all these parts because this stuff right over here and that box over here is gonna bring us more content. So as you guys know, I'm keeping the Unicorn 240, which is sitting right out there, right? Now all these parts are belong to that car, so let's check it out. So what we got right over here is the dry shaft. This is from the dry shaft shop. This thing is nice and amazing, guys. Alright, so let's go with the first box. So this is actually from the dry shaft shop. This is a 1-piece dry shaft. This is a ABS dry shaft because I have an ABS diff and all the ABS bullshit that is in the car. You guys know. Alright, let's see how I'm gonna open this so I can just show you guys what I have. Okay, done. A little more over here. Boom. Alright, damn. Woo! It looks so good. I already seen it. It just looks so perfect. Everything brand new looks good. Just give me a couple of months. 3 months later. This thing all fucked. I'm playing. Look at this. Wow. It's just so pretty. We specialize in the impossible. That's nice. I like it. Now this is a steel one-piece dry shaft. Again, this is ABS because I still have all the ABS stuff in the car. I just don't want to go and delete all that, you know, extra work. So yeah. Now, like I said, this is a one-piece. Now the reason that I went one-piece instead of the OEM two-piece one, because one-piece is gonna make your car go faster and more responsive. Now I'm playing. I don't know if I'm gonna be sending that car, so whatever. Alright, so on the other corner we have Mr. White Bunny. This is the White Bunny clutch kit. I ran this in the past. I love it. Now this is a, I don't know what stage is it. I think it's stage 4. 6-hook. Let's open this. This is heavy. Ooh. I'm just so happy when I receive parts, man. So we have the specifications, I believe, warranty and whatnot, stickers. Damn. Woo. This is so pretty. This is the disc. This is a 6-hook disc. Now this one, this clutch kit came with the pressure plate, of course, right? Ouch. 1 hour later. That thing is kind of stuck in my hand now. And also, came with the, you know, with the, this is the throttle bearing. This is the tool to hold the, you know, the plate and the disc. And this is the, what's supposed to be the lightweight, how do you think called? Flywheel. It's pretty nice. Come also with, again, these are, I believe that these are ARP flywheel studs. Allen key, again, like really, again, they're nice anyway. So, that's pretty much for the clutch kit. Like I said, I'm very excited, you know, because this is gonna bring more content into the channel. Competition clutch, White Bunny, Mr. White Bunny. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about the swap because Kevin is gonna be helping me with the swap. I'm gonna be honest to you guys, I never did a 5-speed swap. I know how to pull the motor out and all that and do a JZ swap, but from auto to manual, I never did it, so this thing is playing game, but whatever. And still looking forward to receive all the parts that are missing. So I got a ISR short shifter, I got lines, I got not brake master, I'm sorry. There's a clutch master cylinder, the slave, a pilot bearing, ship knob, the ship boot, the ship rubber boot ring, you know, for this 5-piece swap. That swap is gonna be clean. By the way, I think I have a set of 5 lugs rear on somewhere around here that I'm planning to do as well. So yeah, hopefully all that is going to happen by next weekend, because this week is already the RSD Pocono Bash drift event. This thing is so heavy. So here's a KA transmission that I got a while ago. Technically I got it for free. I'm pretty sure this is a S13 one because it doesn't have the, you know, the extra tap that it's fit the knock sensor for the, you know, like the S14. This thing is dirty. What I'm planning to do right now is power wash it and you know, make it look a little presentable. Just making sure that all the sensors are in there. I think this is the neutral, I think this is the speed sensor. I don't know what the hell is this, but we'll figure it out later. I already have a short shifter. I could probably just, I don't know, part this out. Alright, $20, $30, I'm pretty sure someone would take it. But yeah, here's the tranny. Hopefully that it's good. I have no grind or anything crazy. god, that transmission was gross. Check it out. Look at this part. This part is where the starter sits. Damn, and look at the difference. This is after power wash, and this is still dirty. Oh my god. I'm so glad that I washed it. Here's all the wheels that I'm bringing to the drift event. 2, 4, 6. I have 2 more in the back, which is the MB battles. I love those wheels. This is a fresh set of Cosmics. I don't think I'm gonna be drifting this if it's not necessary, because I don't want them to get all scraped out and damaged. You guys know what the deal is on track. I think it's insane the amount of time, the amount of work that we put into this stuff over here, you know, and being to the track and send it, because you want to make sure that your car is good to send it, you know, no failure whatsoever, you know, unless you hit something and you break something on the track. That's a different story. But as it is, like prepping the car at home or at the shop, prepping all the tires, the tow truck, making sure that everything is good to go from A to B and B to A, that's a lot of time and that's a lot of work. I get it, you know, people said, oh yeah, you know, you have a drift car, you go to a drift event, it's fun and all that, but you know, believe it or not, they don't see, you know, what is right behind and all of that before the event, you know. Hey, we gotta make sure that our vehicle is 100%, you know, good. You know, we gotta make sure that the tires are good. We gotta make sure that our truck is 100% good, you know, so we could just be there for you guys, you know. A lot of people, yeah, it's funny though, you know, because like people say, oh yeah, you know, your drift is fun, right? It's fun. How easy it is. Don't get me wrong, I do spend a lot of time on this car. Now, it's not because it's a trend and I'm following everyone, you know, because everybody's doing it. It's because I do have a passion for this. I like building my car. I like give functionality to my car, and I like to see it how it performs on the track.